Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to stop sharing your contacts on your iPhone? Whether it's for privacy reasons or simply to manage your contact list. Turning off contact sharing is straightforward. Here is how you do it. First, open the setting app. Go to the setting app on your iPhone. Then you navigate to contact. Scroll down and tap on contact. Now, disable contact sharing for specific apps. Tap on account, then select account like iCloud, Gmail, etc. that you want to stop sharing contact from. Toggle off the switch next to contacts to stop sharing contact from that account. You can also revoke app permissions. Go back to the main setting menu, scroll down and tap on privacy and security. Then tap on contacts. You will see a list of apps that have requested access to your contact. Juggle up the switch next to each app that you don't want sharing your contact. Next is to turn off AirDrop. Swipe down from the upper right corner of the screen on iPhone X or later, or hop from the bottom on iPhone 8 or earlier to open the control center. Press and hold the network setting card in the upper left corner. Tap on AirDrop and select Receiving Off to prevent others from sharing contacts via AirDrop. And that's it guys. By following these steps, you can easily manage and stop sharing your contacts on your iPhone. Keep your contact list private and ensure your private information is shared only with those you trust. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you in our next one. Bye bye.